Wow, today I saw one of those amazing transformer cars on the freeway, and it didn't turn out well. See this white car? It's obviously a transformer car because when it changes lanes, it transforms into a black pickup. The guy clearly doesn't know how to drive a pickup, so he instantly crashes it. All right, your eyes are not lying to you. Let's see a replay of that. He changes lanes and transforms into a black pickup. Watch it again. All right, he changes lanes, can't drive a pickup, and crashes. Listen, folks, if you buy a transformer car, fine, but don't transform on the freeway unless you've practiced, because otherwise you could crash. Are you okay?
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.